Hello friends, welcome to SWT English Learning. Today's lesson is very powerful. We will learn 300 sentences using just one phrase, I need to. This phrase is super easy and you can use it in daily life every day. Let's begin.
1. I need to eat. 2. I need to drink water. 3. I need to sleep. 4. I need to rest. 5. I need to wake up early. 6. I need to cook food. 7. I need to buy bread. 8. I need to have breakfast. 9. I need to take lunch. 10. I need to eat dinner. 11. I need to go outside. 12. I need to open the window. 13. I need to close the door. 14. I need to sit down. 15. I need to stand up. 16. I need to wash my hands. 17. I need to wash my face. 18. I need to brush my teeth. 19. I need to take a shower. 20. I need to comb my hair.
Category 2, Family and Friends, 21 to 40. I need to call my mother. I need to talk to my father. I need to help my parents. I need to visit my uncle. I need to support my brother. I need to play with my sister. I need to see my cousin. I need to send a message to my aunt. I need to invite my friend. I need to call my best friend. I need to share with my family. I need to listen to my parents. I need to respect my elders. I need to take care of my children. I need to hug my little sister. I need to tell my family the truth. I need to spend time with my parents. I need to help my grandmother. I need to talk with my grandfather. And I need to guide my younger brother.
Category 3, School and Study, 41 to 60. I need to do my homework. I need to read a book. I need to write my notes. I need to complete my assignment. I need to practice English. I need to learn new words. I need to memorize this lesson. I need to revise my subject. I need to listen to my teacher. I need to ask questions. I need to solve the problem. I need to learn grammar. I need to improve my writing. I need to practice speaking. I need to watch English videos. I need to use a dictionary. I need to attend my class. I need to pass the exam. I need to study harder. I need to focus more. Category 4, Work and Job, 61 to 80. I need to go to the office. I need to finish my work. I need to send an email. I need to attend a meeting. I need to talk to my boss. I need to meet my client. I need to prepare a report. I need to check my schedule. I need to complete this task. I need to submit my project. I need to call my colleague. I need to arrive on time. I need to respect my boss. I need to learn new skills. I need to improve my work. I need to train my team. I need to follow instructions. I need to achieve my target. I need to earn money. I need to apply for a new job. Category 5. Daily routine. 81 to 100. I need to wake up at 6. I need to make my bed. I need to get dressed. I need to pack my bag. I need to prepare breakfast. I need to catch the bus. I need to go shopping. I need to buy vegetables. I need to take my medicine. I need to exercise daily. I need to walk in the park. I need to drink tea. I need to clean my room. I need to wash clothes. I need to iron my shirt. I need to water the plants. I need to feed the dog. I need to pay the bills. I need to go to the bank. I need to visit the market.
Category 6. Travel and transport. 101 to 120. 101. I need to catch a train. 102. I need to buy a ticket. 103. I need to go to the airport. 104. I need to board the plane. 105. I need to check my passport. 106. I need to pack my clothes. 107. I need to book a hotel. 108. I need to reserve a seat. 109. I need to get a taxi. 110. I need to call Uber. 111. I need to ride a bike. 112. I need to drive the car. 113. I need to follow traffic rules. 114. I need to wear a seatbelt. 115. I need to fill fuel. 116. I need to ask for directions. 117. I need to look at the map. 118. I need to find the bus stop. 119. I need to check the road. 120. I need to travel safely. Category 7. Shopping and money. 121 to 140. 121. I need to go shopping. 122. I need to buy shoes. 123. I need to buy a shirt. 124. I need to try this dress. 125. I need to ask the price. 126. I need to pay in cash. 127. I need to pay by card. 128. I need to return this item. 129. I need to get a discount. 130. I need to buy vegetables. 131. I need to buy fruits. 132. I need to buy milk. 133. I need to buy sugar. 134. I need to buy rice. 135. I need to buy meat. 136. I need to check the bill. 137. I need to keep the receipt. 138. I need to save money. 139. I need to count the change. 140. I need to shop carefully. Category 8. Health and fitness. 141 to 150. 141. I need to drink water. 142. I need to eat healthy food. 143. I need to avoid junk food. 144. I need to exercise daily. 145. I need to run in the morning. 146. I need to walk in the park. 147. I need to lift weights. 148. I need to stretch my body. 149. I need to relax my mind. 150. I need to sleep on time.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to take medicine. I need to rest well. I need to check my blood pressure. I need to control my sugar. I need to stay healthy. I need to breathe deeply. I need to do yoga. I need to protect my eyes. I need to wash my hands often. Category 9. Technology and Media. I need to charge my phone. I need to check my email. I need to open WhatsApp. I need to reply to a message. I need to call my friend. I need to take a picture. I need to record a video. I need to upload on YouTube. I need to update my status. I need to log in to Facebook. I need to scroll Instagram. I need to send an SMS. I need to use Google. I need to search the internet. I need to watch a video. I need to read the news. I need to write a blog. I need to save this file. I need to print the paper. I need to learn computer skills. Category 10. Personal Growth and Life Goals. I need to learn English. I need to practice every day. I need to improve my speaking. I need to build confidence. I need to learn grammar. I need to write better. I need to listen carefully. I need to read more books. I need to manage my time. I need to work harder. I need to stay motivated. I need to think positively. I need to forgive others. I need to be patient. I need to respect people. I need to stay focused. I need to achieve my goals. I need to follow my dreams. I need to live happily. I need to thank God.
Category 11. House and Home. 201. I need to clean the kitchen. 202. I need to wash the dishes. 203. I need to sweep the floor. 204. I need to mop the floor. 205. I need to dust the furniture. 206. I need to change the bed sheet. 207. I need to wash the blanket. 208. I need to fold the clothes. 209. I need to iron the clothes. 210. I need to organize my cupboard. 211. I need to decorate the living room. 212. I need to fix the light bulb. 213. I need to repair the chair. 214. I need to lock the door. 215. I need to open the curtains. 216. I need to close the windows. 217. I need to check the gas stove. 218. I need to water the garden. 219. I need to clean the bathroom. 220. I need to take out the trash.
Category 12. Social Life. 221 to 240. I need to greet my neighbor. I need to invite my friends. I need to attend a party. I need to join the wedding. I need to congratulate my friend. I need to wish happy birthday. I need to say sorry. I need to say thank you. I need to shake hands. I need to smile at people. I need to talk politely. I need to respect others. I need to listen carefully. I need to wait my turn. I need to follow the rules. I need to share with friends. I need to give respect to elders. I need to play fair. I need to cheer for my team. I need to enjoy with friends. Category 13. Outdoor Activities.
241 to 250. I need to go for a walk. I need to ride my bicycle. I need to play football. I need to play cricket. I need to play basketball. I need to swim in the pool. I need to run fast. I need to jog in the park. I need to climb the hill. I need to visit the zoo. I need to see animals. I need to go fishing. I need to play in the playground. I need to travel to the city. I need to visit a museum. I need to go to the library. I need to attend a concert. I need to visit the beach. I need to enjoy the sunshine. I need to explore new places.
Category 14, Communication, 261 to 280. I need to answer the phone. I need to write a letter. I need to send an email. I need to reply quickly. I need to talk to my teacher. I need to ask a question. I need to give an answer. I need to explain clearly. I need to listen carefully. I need to repeat the sentence. I need to speak slowly. I need to talk politely. I need to express my feelings. I need to tell the truth. I need to keep a secret. I need to describe the picture. I need to introduce myself. I need to ask for help. I need to thank my teacher. I need to encourage my friend. Category 15, Future Goals and Dreams, 281 to 300. I need to save money for the future. I need to complete my studies. I need to learn a new language. I need to travel to another country. I need to buy a new house. I need to start my own business. I need to get a better job. I need to prepare for interviews. I need to improve my confidence. I need to meet new people. I need to visit new countries. I need to take care of my family. I need to be more disciplined. I need to save my time. I need to build good habits. I need to stay focused on my goals. I need to achieve success. I need to become a good person. I need to live a peaceful life. I need to always keep learning.
Well done, friends! Now you know 300 daily life sentences with one simple phrase, I need to. Practice them daily and your English will become strong and natural. Don't forget to subscribe to SWT English Learning for more powerful lessons.